What a beauty. Look at Richmond Hill. What's up guys?
We already said what's up.
Yes,
what's up.
but I am in a good mood because the stuff in here have me on high. Who don't know my love furniture, you know?
What you feeling? What a rushy flight and nearly run late. Yeah guys, we're gone. We're there, drive out, you know. Me and Rashi there, we are do road. Yeah, we are drive go to Ashley's. You're heading to Ashley's, Rashida?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna look at some stuff in Ashley's. Just giving you guys a view, you know, of Richmond Hill. Nice little town. Our city.
So we're going to Ashley's. We're gonna do furniture hunting. So we're gonna look what they're having because they're having a Mother's Day sale. So we're gonna see what they're going on with. Hi guys, good morning, or should I say it's afternoon? Yes. And I'm not sure if I should say what day this is, but this is Sunday, and as I said earlier, we are heading to Ashley's. So we're gonna do hunting living room suite, or I should say. So they're having a Mother's Day sale, so I'm gonna see what they have going on, and I'm taking you guys along, of course, and I hope you enjoy what we're gonna show you today. How are you this morning, Jermaine?
Doing good, you know, as usual. You know.
You always
Love
good?
this time, guys. Sun is shining bright, you know. Look at chilling in the air, look at coolness in the air, but you know, I'm good. I'm in a good mood.
Me too. It's a blessing to be alive. It's a blessing to be healthy, and it's a blessing just to not be suffering at all. So I'm gonna just sit back and enjoy this vlog. What a beauty. Look at Richmond Hill. And you know what's happening of late? We're having a lot of condos. They're building a lot of condos here in Richmond Hill, maybe in other cities, but this is what I'm seeing happening from the other day, and they're really nice. Look at them. Most of them, they have a lot of amenities in them. They have pool, gym, party room, guest suite, all of that nice stuff. Really nice. So this is the branch Ashley that we'll be going to in Richmond Hill. Very nice, guys. You're seeing a lot of cars. Everybody is out. Summer is out, or is coming, so everybody is out. There's sunshine. It's really beautiful. So you have
a lot of sales going on too.
Right.
They say they have sales going on, but sometimes, you know, sometimes not much discount you get. But you still have to come out and look, because you never can tell what you might find for a really reasonable cost. So we're out, not gonna spend too long on the road. Just giving you guys a view of what's going on. Look over there, we have the brick, you have what they call it, truck tube, Ashley, you know, Montclair, or Beauclair, how do they pronounce it?
where? Oh, Beauclair's home.
So all these places are furniture places. You can go in there and
Furniture, decor. I think Beauclair's, they deal with decor and paintings and just wall ornaments. And Winners, you know, they have everything: clothes, decor. Ashley, name brand furniture store here in Canada, and also the brick. You have even Leon's, but it's not, Leon's is not on this stretch. But for me, I don't love the furniture sold in struck tube, but a lot of persons like it because I guess it's maybe what they call it, modern contemporary. They have some square
contemporary, modern and contemporary, same.
Right. So they have modern
looking furniture,
but they kind of square.
And square up and small.
I guess that's why it named struck tube. Yeah,
it's
so
a tube.
Yeah, but you can't talk bad about people like it still.
Yeah. Just to say, you know.
Not my taste, but I can even show you guys like stuff that they sell. But I'll be going in Ashley's first. So that's where I'll be going.
Wow guys, so it's nice outside. Look at that. The other day we came and every time it came on camera, it's just snow. You know? And if it's not snowing, we're cool. So we're outside guys. You know, this is one of the little spot that you can come to look at stuff if you actually furnish out your house. Yeah, and get things in order. Really good guys, and that's the famous Highway 7 over there. And it meets which street this will come by a while ago? High Tech, but that is Young. That is where Young meets Highway 7, guys. Yeah, man.
Still high tech.
Yeah, I know, but that's Bayview down there, and then you have Young over that side, and it meets Highway 7 there.
Here is Richmond Hill Go Station. The brick is also having a sale, so I'll take a look. You want to look what they have?
Yeah, we can go in Ashley
Really
first.
fun,
We can go in Ashley first.
I'll see. You never know.
You need a blue or green phone cover or phone case, that no match.
Oh, the pink?
Yeah.
And guess what, guys? I don't really have a phone. I just keep it because it's on ring. Today is Mother's Day and I can't even send out any messages. My LCD broke yesterday, so this is just a shell, so I have to just slide it to answer. So we just oppose with that phone, but we really don't have a working phone.
Should have a dummy phone, guys. Some nice stuff, guys.
Nice. Lovely.
Which one you prefer? Ashley's or Leon's?
Two of them.
Which one you prefer? Ashley or...
You don't prefer none.
You don't prefer none?
On the furniture.
Okay, alright. Wow, they have some nice stuff though. Expensive but looking good.
Always anything will look good expensive. I don't see the price for this.
Back order. That's how hot it is. It's on back order.
Yeah, even the thing on the wall. You guys sell that too?
Yeah. So all those accessories, you can get. Some of them we can't order and get it shipped to you, and some you have to
Really
buy
nice.
direct. And we don't mark up all accessories because we don't make money. And the same accessories if you go in welfare.
So for those who like simple chairs, these are also nice. I like the colors. You mean I still love marble top?
Very much.
This looks like a tile over by back in Jamaica. Not nice, And these are nice. Plant stand. Really nice.
So nice, eh? Look at some of these accessories over here.
You know, never see this. This is a sphere light. 165. This is nice. Oh, this work. You plug in. Oh, 165. It's a occur. Nice. See? $29 for one of these. Really nice. So these velvet pillows, they're really in terms of home decor. The texture is so smooth, and the back is like we call that linen.
It have a linen feel to it.
To the back and the front have velvet.
You see them just so they look good on Chester John. Nice color.
Nice color too. Even the table set, it's modern. Like if you want the traditional look, but you don't want the traditional color, this is nice, the grey.
Really nice.
Ashley are gone. And for those who have the big house, on the big chair, they call them sectional. Yeah.
Big and fluffy that when you
Big
have a
and nice.
big space, guys.
Yeah. Family room.
Yeah, guys, so
Another section.
nice. And you say, want this in the house? Big white horse.
We have a big black one already.
Can stay there.
Look at
Soon shed 20 pounds.
$3,049.
Yeah, expensive though.
Yeah, it's nice too. But remember, they're having discount, what, 35% off?
30% off.
This one says 35.
But wait, why if your top look good, man? It don't look bad.
Yeah, me too.
Come on, let them see you. Come here. Yeah, the material look nice, see?
Yeah, this is nice.
You know what this remind me of? When you look upon somebody rapper them like Rick Ross and
Yeah,
them man and them too.
135
Not bad.
through a blanket.
Not bad.
This is really cute.
Why any rich in a man? Jesus.
And I know
please.
normal.
I don't know.
Love
Nah.
nice things.
Guys, any of me have some money, man. Just wait, man. We still have enough money. Contemporary living. Yeah, that's what we all want to have.
We're not bad here.
Yeah, that's neat though. No? $9.99? Hey, we have to make a decision today, you know, because today is the last day of the sale. So we have to know exactly what we are doing.
That's right.
You know, which one we're going to choose,
Sneaky.
because after this,
And
that's
for
it.
those who want just a little small neat table, this is so
Yeah,
ideal.
little small, neat table.
Yeah, repetitive.
Yeah, yeah. You're not wrong.
repetitive.
Yeah, not wrong. Why?
Wanna kill me? Come, 1,700.
Dear.
It's not bad.
Dear.
No, because the chairs aren't so expensive.
Oh, you come with a chair them. Okay, well it's still dear too. Cause if you buy the hot chair them for $200 one, and you buy 4 of them 8 bills left, but the table alone are worth 8 bills.
These in
Guys, when you broke and come at them place with wifey, make you fret. Have to work some money that's so you can walk around with wifey confidently. Yeah?
so you're not confident now.
You know, realize I'm not talk about myself.
Look at the neat section now, remember?
Yeah. This to give you a warm time when we are through. Guys, we bought a really nice 3-piece. Matter of fact, when I ever tell you. Guys, we bought something really nice in the living room. Right? Yeah, when I think about this, we spend days thinking about this sectional here. It's really nice, comfortable, shut, guys. Alright? It still look
And
nice.
with this too, you can choose if you want it left-handed or right-handed. But then again, you know, in the moving process, we don't know how the place will be set up, and you know, you're not homeowners, so even if you buy it for that place, if you move again, you don't know if it would be better for you to have a right-handed sectional or left-handed. So I think based on that, I just left it. The
Yeah.
unknown is killing us.
Real talk, guys. Entertainment center look good too. $2,000 for this entertainment center, Rush.
I like it. The only thing it not have now, like for me personally, I would have loved if it have a fireplace in the middle. That would have make it shut.
Some persons will like it, some person won't like it because it kind of have a rustic look to
I
it.
like rustic.
Yeah, some people love rustic, some don't. Eh? Guys, based on how expensive this usually is, this is a good price. 1,600. Believe me, 17. This normally I feel 2,500, alright? Yeah. So
Are you thinking about
them
the
are gone.
dresser?
Them are gone.
No, I'm just looking at it.
Yeah.
No, I'm just telling the guys here that this is a really good price because they're normally more expensive.
Exactly.
So 1,700.
It's because the floor models
Yeah.
are really just good price.
Oh, floor models.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So it's a good deal.
I I don't love these type of furniture.
No, I know our taste, but they still have to big it up same way. If people say them are buying nice stuff, and them let them buy. Expensive, if them are focused on the cost. Yeah. Alright guys, for those who like this type of style, you have some stuff here on clearance, you know. Was 550, no 300, was 630, no 400, you know. Good stuff.
Right, so this for the queen they're only selling the headboard, but for this king they're actually selling the whole panel bed for $3.99. So that's good. You get the whole headboard, footboard, everything for $3.99. That's good. That's actually great if you like this. It's nice, more country style. You have a cabin. This is nice.
Mm-hmm.
And for those who like the farm style white, like the chipped white furniture with the padding in the middle, this is definitely a choice for you. This is lovely. They have even the table set that's matching with it. That's nice. I'm all have headboard for $2.49. So everybody come and get your bedded. $2.49 for a bedded. That's a floor clearance. And that's in king size too.
It look like them have a better sale than Leon going on. Right?
Yeah.
More to expect that up, Ashley.
And that teach you a lesson that sometimes the place that you feel more expensive, sometimes they prove you wrong.
True.
Actually, they have the better deals. So strive for the stars. If you wanna catch head, we catch shoulder. So this is really nice. What's up guys?
We already said what's up.
Yes,
what's up.
but I'm in a good mood because the stuff in here have me on high. Who don't know my love furniture, you know?
Yeah guys,
so
wifey halfway, you know, I walk up and down board. But them have some really nice stuff, guys. Really. So hope you guys enjoying so far what you're seeing.
Yeah, and come on, if you can buy something for those in the US, I don't know. They're supposed to have Ashley's too.
Yeah,
so,
man, them have everything, man.
This on the sale days, really good because I came on the last sale day and just eye shop. You know, I have to eye out the deals.
Window shopper.
Yeah, I'm a good window shopper too. I will not be buying anything. This I want to have headache. Once him not have money, him not want to come window shop. Me?
Well guys, when I like look for stuff when I have no money.
When me broke like dog, me still go in there and window shop because when I want to buy, I know what's a good price and what's not. But me I tell you, Ashley I go on to themselves. The deals are good because I've matched them with like Leon's and my next one name the Brick, and they're more trendy. And you know say a name brand. So you know you're not gonna take a filler over Tamil figure. For argument's sake. So Ashley the Tamil figure, you know the others kinda bit. Maybe it's a Nike and some is a filler. So top of the line, and them really I give good prices for it. So you can check it out for yourselves. If you miss today the Mother's Day sale, you can maybe come at the next time when they'll have a sale, or just come because sometimes they have full floor model sales too, clearance and so, which are good deals. So just check them out guys, and forgive my manners. Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers. You're blessed, your womb is blessed.
Happy Mother's Day.
Yeah,
and mommy, big up yourself.
to-
Happy Mother's Day.
to all the
you don't
mothers
get your message
out
already,
there.
and you know, other stuff to come.
Yes, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there.
Audrey, big up yourself.
Yes, you're blessed, you're a blessing to the world. Yes, and we'll only bring forth blessing. So all the best to
What
the
a better day
mothers.
to have a sale on Mother's Day.
Yes, and you know some mothers love furniture. So
Yeah guys, so hope you're enjoying the vlog so far. You know,
yes.
keep on showing you some good content.
Yes, so just sit back in a chair or lay down on a nice bed and just watch what I'm showing you. And when you want to change out or you want to buy something, this is definitely an
Come, the
option
guy ready for us.
for or especially our Caribbean peeps, you know, we love nice things.
Come,
Yes.
you want to stick. Come, want to stick. She don't want to go deal with business people.
So
Come.
people, I'll see you later.
Finally, guys, we're outside of Ashley. Why if you want to take 3 hours? Yeah, come out, man, outside. So next stop, guys, quickly we're gonna go into Leon's and call it a day for this Mother's Day. Yeah, we'll just make sure enjoy ourselves, you know.
Yes, I'm gonna get a nice Mother's Day gift.
Yeah, we're gonna show you guys what you call it, house opening, house tour,
Okay, yeah.
house tour. Yeah, why if you get something nice, she feel good, you know. That's a good gift.
Yes, thank you.
Why it feel nice? See the sun is shine and the breeze just cool.
Yeah,
nice.
not because I see the sun in it, not hot.
No,
The
you
sun
can
is
wear
nice,
jackets,
but-
people in a jacket there, same way. And to be honest, Rashida, this is how we come a foreign for though. Nice cool breeze.
On a jacket time. Well, if I was taking the bus, I would carry my jacket because
Weather
you know the weather
change.
bipolar.
Yeah.
You leave out it nice and warm. By the time you reach right there, so you feel like, you know, and like 0 degrees.
True.
It's crazy.
True word, guys. Anyhow, meet us at Leon's. Yeah, guys, Mother's Day drive round. As the mom said, road always a fix.
Construction in full effect.
Something always a go on. Cement always a show.
So we're on our ways to Leon's.
We're on our ways to Leon's. Okay.
We're on our way to Leon. So I'm gonna see what they're having. So we're gonna see what's going on there in Leon's. You know, that's what's happening. Look at these new.
Oh, Milestone. It's a Milestone, really nice, you know. Yeah.
That's a restaurant.
Yeah, I was planning on take you there for your birthday and it never worked out. So I
Okay.
have to take you there some other time.
That would be nice.
Don't beat me, guys. I don't know if a top place, but I hear that it's a nice place to take out your wife or your fiance for dinner. A kind of classy place. That's what I heard.
Ooh, I love that.
This road is
No
one of the
Ray.
nicest roads, right?
Yeah.
Young Street.
This is Young Street, y'all. This is it. Very busy.
As usual.
Yeah. But today, for it just seemed more laid back. Even from yesterday, the day just feels so relaxed. It feels like a typical Sunday in Jamaica,
Which
You know?
usually that's not the case.
which usually that's not the case. This is what I love about Young Street. I love how the buildings are arranged, you know, the construction, the road network, just everything. I really like this, and like the cycling. I like see people cycling. So I mostly see that, you know, on the outskirts at GTA, I would say. So I really like those stuff. So, you know.
Yeah, you get everything in one small space. I don't feel claustrophobic.
No,
The planning, there's a lot of thought that was put in
right.
to the planning. Lot of
So you
thought
see
put
those
in the planning.
these buildings, these are condominiums, and at the bottom of them there are stores that you can go and grab stuff. So you will have like a doctor's office, grocery store, just everything is here in one spot. It really is a good place to live in terms of how they do the planning. Places to shop are nearby. You have a lot of options. You have the mall, which is over that side. That would be, the name of that mall again is Hillcrest.
Hillcrest Mall.
Mall. I've spoken about that in another vlog. It's right over that side. It's a unique, I would say mini, not real, it's smaller version of a mall, but it has everything. And that over there is the No Frills that we love to go. It has Jamaican products, So like everything is here, you know.
Yeah, Richmond Hill is really nice.
Yeah, and you think that because it's north, it maybe wouldn't have it, but it has a lot of stuff here. Yeah, it's really nice, and it does grow on you. Richmond Hill does grow on you.
True.
I like other cities too. I like Markham, I like Vaughan, I like some areas in Newmarket. Jermaine really not a fan. And I also like Oakville a lot. Like several other places. Not place nice, but I can speak about here because we are very familiar with this part of it. Over on to my right is the T&T supermarket. You'll get everything over there. And guess what? Even when Walmart or No Frills is closed,
yeah,
they are open on holidays. It's big up the Chinese people, them, you know, because them know for make money everywhere where them go. Them open later than other places. Maybe them open till 11 o'clock. Even on holidays, they open until 9 o'clock when everywhere else open till 6. So thumbs up to them.
Yeah,
good work ethics
if you want to cook
and
some
business.
Nice meal and you know you never plan properly, you can just run go on the road, go to the Chinese
Definitely.
supermarket and you get anything you need.
Right. So like how in Jamaica, every time you pass a church, every time you pass a Shoppers Drug Mart and a Tim Hortons, that's Canada for you. Yeah, and that's what I like. So this is the Viva Blue. Yes, this is the Viva. It has a lane for itself.
You remember back in the days when you used to the Viva Blue used to be in the same lane as every other vehicle?
Yeah, it made it hard for them to come back in because everybody want to pass out the bus, so it was a problem. But Young Street is a major part of Richmond Hill. Well, this side of Young Street, that is. This is the intersection with Major Mackenzie and Young Street. Very popular spot. So where we're heading now is a whole strip that has food chains, like small businesses, and they're very good. Well, Jermaine are the pro for that. Him eat at almost all of these restaurants. Yes. So yeah, you greedy them for no. See,
no,
these are all the restaurants. They are small chains.
We have to go here.
So
it's a Persian
what's his name?
restaurant.
Haida. It's a Persian restaurant.
Yeah, we have to go here.
Look at them.
Guys, workplace give free lunch. So we order out of all these places. Right?
So this is one of
get
his
the
perks.
opportunity to eat at all these fancy places. That's the thing. So by the people feel so yeah man, but good stuff, good experience, because you get different tastes, you know what I mean? Get the opportunity to get different tastes, different cultures and so on.
So do you like Persian food?
Well, the ones that I had so far, it's good. Right, but we can't say that in general because I see them with some other stuff that's not really to my liking. And yeah, I've tried something before that a little bit too sour. So their taste, so Indian people love a lot of sweets and they love sour stuff. Sweet stuff as well, but they like sour. You know, so yeah, different.
And cheesy.
And cheesy. Yeah, so yeah, I experienced something already that I didn't really like that much. But their sandwiches, really good, I must say. I'll give them an A for sandwiches.
Restaurant section has ended. So I'll meet you guys in Leon's to show you what's happening there.
Alright guys, so we're here at Leon's, yeah?
More vibes. Watch it.
Huh?
Maybe we are done.
Oh, them can't see, but I'm going to show you what I'm going. So we're at the entrance to Leon's, guys, and we're going to go inside and look at some stuff.
Yeah. So this is one for what I go on.
Last day of the sale, guys. Mother's Day sale.
Mother's Day sale. They're having 50% off on mattresses and what? And bedroom furniture, they're having 20% off. So let's see what they have.
Yeah, I can't wait for the some grilling, guys. Yeah, these grills expensive though. There are some cheaper ones in Walmart. Can get a nice grill for like $200. These are for $8.49. Ridiculous. Look good though. Yeah, we're okay. We're ready for you. We made up our minds.
Okay, sure.
I'm not going to put you on camera, so don't worry about it. Even though you're a beautiful lady.
Okay.
Yep.
So guys, you're seeing you don't have to be rich to get nice stuff. Look at these. Like you have a nice lamp, it's on manager special. It's for only $50. And just some nice pieces that you can put in your living space or your kitchen space. That's trending or trendy, I should say.
So, comparing the two stores though, what do you think?
Well, I think both of them have their perks. For me, Leon's is better with like dining set.
True.
And to me, sofa to some extent. My
Some
taste.
really nice sofa in
Yeah.
Ashley still, you know.
Some really nice one, but like I'm more a traditional person, so I think Leon satisfies my taste in dining and so. But like for Ashley is good with the bedroom sets, good with the aesthetics, like you know, just the pieces, the paintings and so. Leon's is good too, but they are more modern.
Okay.
You know? Right.
Well
So
said.
like if you realize in Leon's, it's more formal looking dining, more than modern. It's modern, but it's more traditional. You know, it's more like a mature setting more.
Oh
You
yeah,
see?
yeah.
Yeah. So who like the more mature setting, the more formal and traditional, this is for you. If for Ashley, we're catering for modern and you know, also trendy.
Look a bit more stylish too.
Yeah, more stylish. And for me, the price, you can remember you see a table, we saw a table that's similar to this one, and where's the price? And this one is for $1,000. How much that one was for? 1,000 something.
Yeah.
You remember? So I think the pricing is better in
Leon's.
for like dining set
Easily.
and so on.
Easily.
Right,
Agreed.
but for Ashley's, it's better. Like if you want like a elaborate looking bedroom set or so, it's nicer than in Leon. So you have to just shop around. 'Cause it depends on what you like. But for like my taste, I like them for dining. They have some nice sets. So if you have a small apartment space, look at these chairs. They're nice too. and you don't have to break the bank to buy like a lamp, you know, to enhance your house. $50, some for 30.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And this is
manager
nice.
special, and it's a lot
50
of them
bucks.
in here. They have a lot of manager special, so it's really nice. And for those who want like the bar stools, look at it. This is for $300, so this one is pricey. I've seen better prices than this, but they're pricey with the bar stool, but it's okay. So guys, this is the end of our vlog for Ashley and Leon's. I hope you really enjoyed it. We got what we came here for, so you'll be seeing it in our reveal of our bedroom tour, I should say, in the near future. Not now, because I know we're house hunting. But that's it for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Rashi and Wally vlogs. Bye guys.